Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now we've got a really interesting problem today which reads something like this. Consider the circle with the equation 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 8x plus 12y minus 14 equals to 0. And we need to find the radius of this circle in the simplest radical form. Now we know that the circle equation has the standard form x minus a whole squared plus y minus b whole squared equals to r squared, where a and b are the coordinates for the center and r is the radius. So we need to represent the circle equation in the standard form to try and compute the radius. So I would suggest to pause the video here for 10 seconds just to have a little think about how we might go about solving this problem. Okay, so as step 1, we need to divide the equation by 2. So that gets us x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 7 equals to 0. Now let's write x and y terms together. So we get x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 6y minus 7 equals to 0. Now we need to complete the square for x and y. So x squared minus 4x needs to be written in the form x plus m whole squared minus p, where m is half the coefficient of the x term, and p is m squared. So we get x squared minus 4x equals to x minus 2 whole squared minus 2 squared. And similarly for y, we get y squared plus 6y equals to y plus 3 whole squared minus 3 squared. So the circle equation now becomes x minus 2 whole squared minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 whole squared minus 3 squared minus 7 equals to 0. Now moving all the constant terms to the other side and simplifying, we get x minus 2 whole squared plus y plus 3 whole squared equals to 7 plus 4 plus 9, which is equal to 20. Now comparing this to the standard form, we get radius squared equals to 20, and therefore radius equals to square root of 20, which is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 5, which indeed is equal to 2 root 5, which is the simplest radical form in this case. And therefore the circle looks something like this. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.